Security warning. For official use only. All individuals handling this information are required to protect it from unauthorized disclosure. This information should be disseminated on a need-to-know basis via controlled media, CD, mobile hard drive, paper, etc. Do not transmit this material via any unsecured email network. This document is a product of Critical Solutions International. It is not for public use, but is intended for use by authorized personnel. This information is not to be released without written authorization from Critical Solutions International. Destroy this material when no longer needed. PMCS item number 47. Interval before. Item to be checked or serviced, transmission oil level and backup alarm. Procedure 1. Place gear shift selector in D, drive, and slowly move vehicle forward. Check that the vehicle stops when brake pedal is applied. Equipment not readily available if vehicle will not stop. Procedure 2. Place gear selector in R, reverse, and check operation of backup. Procedure 3. Stop vehicle. Place gear shift selector in N, neutral, and apply park brake. Ensure vehicle holds in place. Procedure 4. Check transmission oil level on dipstick. Refer to Husky 2G operator manual for further instructions. Equipment not readily available if transmission oil level is not between the cold and hot mark on the transmission dipstick. Procedure 5. Check inside transmission access cover for any leaks. Equipment not readily available if any Class 3 leak. Refer to Husky 2G operator manual for additional information and procedures.